My name is Margot Kohler. I'm head of global brand marketing at Toast. For me, food culture is stepping into a possible moment of connection. And at Toast, we've built an all-in-one restaurant management platform. For us, it was really critical communicating our value to buyers who are becoming more price sensitive and overcome some of those misconceptions about being a premium price product. Our strategy was really good at capturing in-market buyers, but to win, we needed to change perceptions way before they raised their hands and asked for a demo. With Demand Gen, we could reach restaurant owners when they're on YouTube and when they're going to trusted sites and show why our product is different. It allowed us to tell the story more holistically. With Search, PMax, and Demand Gen, we can create demand and drive that buyer right into our funnel. As a result, we've seen a lift in consideration and increased new customer wins by 20%. At Toast, we're proud that our continued business growth comes alongside growth for many of our incredible restaurant partners.